Welcome to Remedial Membranes online training program. Remedial Membranes Clear Waterproof Membrane is a two-part clear, liquid aliphatic polyurethane waterproof membrane, designed to repair leaky wet areas without the removal of tiles. Similar to waterproofing installed below the tiles, except it's clear and installed on top. We are trying to locate the right people to train and work with the clear waterproof membrane. This video was designed to attract to a certain type of person who we know will succeed in using the membrane. Please be honest with yourself through the process and consider if it's right for you. If it doesn't feel like it's a right fit, don't worry, remedial waterproofing is not for everyone. To assist in training the right people who want to learn how to use a clear waterproof membrane, we have developed the online training guide. This course was originally held over 3 days at a cost of $2,500 each and has been modified over time to eventuate into this online course, which we are currently offering at a discounted rate of $99. We'd love to offer it for free, but we're appealing to the kind of person who values education and is willing to pay to further their own expertise. Although anyone can complete this course, it has been designed for contractors who want to start using the clear waterproof membrane in their business and who complete the training to become a recommended accredited installer. An entry-level qualification to become an accredited installer is a trade qualification or extensive proven building expertise. Although the application of the membrane has been designed to be similar to light duties and is suitable for both genders and all ages, understanding that remedial applications are complex and more involved than installing a product on a new surface that is not leaking is paramount. Preparation of the area prior to the membrane application is crucial for success, and you should be willing to initially schedule in return visits to the job site after completion to see how the membrane is working and to check if you need to attend to any repairs. We are looking for tradesmen who understand remedial waterproofing is an industry in its own right and sometimes involves a learning curve as you apply the clear waterproof membrane in a practical setting. The right attitude is required. You have the potential to earn great money using Remedial Membranes Clear Waterproof Membrane, usually between $2,000 to $4,000 per day, but only people who have the right attitude will succeed. You will be paid for your expertise and understanding. Answer the following questions to see if this is the right fit for you. Do you have excellent attention to detail? Are you meticulous in your cleanliness? Do you keep a tidy work site? Are you able to follow direction without cutting corners? Only those of you who answered yes to all the questions should continue with completing the online course. Clear waterproofing membrane is a clear finishing product. If you are unable to follow directions and install it properly or keep a clean and tidy worksite, then it will be evident in the end result. Your customers will not be happy. They probably won't want to pay you, making you unhappy, and then they'll call us, making us unhappy. So yes, you'll earn great money using the clear waterproof membrane, but only if you're the right kind of person. I can sum it up in one sentence. Are you the best at what you do and provide the highest customer service experience? If you answered yes, but secretly you're a no or maybe, you now know what is expected of the type of person who will succeed with us. We only want the best. This course will be a series of short videos with questions that need to be answered. You can watch the videos as many times as you like to get the answers. The video durations are between 30 seconds and 4 minutes. Upon completion, you will need to schedule in a phone discussion with the lead trainer. You don't need to finish the course in one sitting, it will save as you go. And to be listed on the website at the end as an accredited installer, you'll need to demonstrate your prior learning as an experienced tradesman or contractor. So welcome aboard. We're looking forward to working with you.